In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to Google Sites. If you're looking to monetize your site with display ads, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Before we start, make sure you already have your AdSense account approved and an ad unit created. With the ad code copied to your clipboard, you won't need to modify the code, just have it ready to paste. Begin by opening Google Sites and heading to the site and page where you want the ad to appear. Enter edit mode so you can make changes to the page layout. Think about placement for a moment. Ads typically perform better when they're visible without a lot of scrolling, but they should never disrupt your content. Keep a clean layout and leave enough space around the ad for a professional look. On the right side of the editor, you'll see the Insert panel. This is where Google Sites keeps most of the building blocks you can add to a page. Click Insert to make sure you're in the right section, then choose Embed. In the Embed window, there are usually two tabs, one for a URL and one for code. Because AdSense provides HTML JavaScript code, you'll want the Embed code option. Paste your AdSense ad code exactly as you copied it from your AdSense account. Many users choose responsive ad units, so the ad fits different screen sizes automatically, and Google Sites works well with that. Avoid changing anything inside the snippet, since altering the code can cause errors or violate AdSense policies. Double check that you're pasting into the code tab, not the URL tab, to ensure the ad renders correctly. Click Next to let Google Sites process the embed. You'll see a preview tile or a placeholder representation. That's normal. In many cases, the live ad won't fully render inside the editor. Then click Insert to add the ad block to your page. The embedded element will now sit on your layouts like any other piece of content. You may notice a blank area or a generic placeholder while you're editing. That simply indicates the ad space is in place. Ad serving can take a little time and depends on your AdSense settings and available demand. A couple of final tips. Stay within AdSense program policies, don't overcrowd your page with ads, and maintain a good balance between content and monetization. With that, you've successfully added Google AdSense to your Google Sites page.